Can you make a homemade meat mountain? Hi-ho, Sandwich the Dad here. Well, I've got all the kids home today. Well, Sandwich Lad and I have been up since 5. I already spilled coffee on my Sandwiches of History t-shirt. I just saw Barry from Sandwiches of History is off in New Orleans eating authentic muffalettas. So today I need all the meats I can get. So yes, I can. So the meat mountain is this Arby's sandwich. Now we don't have an Arby's in the Yukon, so I had to look it up. So we've got chicken fingers, turkey, ham, Swiss, maybe some corned beef there, some steak and bacon, bunch of stuff. Lots and lots of stuff. Let's do it. So I've got my $10 bag of chicken fingers here. I've got some ham, some deli turkey, some roast beef, old-fashioned style bacon, Denver blade steak, grass-fed Yukon beef from Tum Tum's Meats. I'm out of corned beef, but I'm going to use salami instead. Still meat. And of course I've got my cheddar and Swiss cheese. And some buns I pulled from the freezer. Let's get started. Bacon down. Chicken fingers in the air fryer. And we'll season up a steak here. Just salt and pepper's fine. And we'll sear it in the hot bacon grease. And we'll throw in some butter and garlic for basting. No time, though. I ain't got no time. I got 3 kids. Where are they, anyway? Okay, then. We'll pull that off to rest. And we shall toast our bun in the beef drippings. It doesn't call for a sauce, but I'll just make some horsey sauce with some mayonnaise and horseradish. Close enough. Little ASMR. Okay, a little bit of horsey sauce. Now I believe we start with the chicken fingers, our sliced turkey, our ham, then our Swiss cheese. Subbing in for our corned beef will be our peppered salami, our roast beef, our cheddar, our juicy sliced steak, and finally, le bacon. Put its little cowboy hat on, and there we have it. A homemade meat mountain. I suppose it must be done. Cut and reveal. Oh my. I wonder if my friend Pete would consider this stunt food. Too bad my videos are always way too long. Distract children with television and consume in general peace. Sandwich Dad, good day.